Going to Chatuchak Weekend Market. We're here sa Chatuchak Market. Same shirt na binili ko kahapon.
Hindi malaki.
It's so hot. Anyway, this is what I bought. I wanna buy some bread. This is really good. Naubos ko na yung garlic bread and ang sarap bro. Definitely buy this when you're here. It's so good. Ang sarap ng bread talaga. Pero, naubos ko na. I bought a pencil case. So cute! We're here sa Siam Paragon. And bibili kami ng sampalok dito. Ang ganda ni Winter. May binili kami dito sa S4. Since wala siya sa Philippines. Also, may discount siya. 10% discount. Literally, if you buy one, I'll buy one too. Ito yung outcome nun. What the heck? Going back to the hotel. Happy Pride Month. Oh, nawala na. Waiting for a taxi. Mini haul lang binili ko today while I pack my suitcase. Also, ito yung isa sa mga t-shirt na binili ko kagabi. First that I bought, another elephant polo. Syempre, not for me. Next, a polo, pero for me. So that's so cute, right? Next, I bought this. A golden fat cat na nakalagay sa mga famous paintings. Ito yung kinuha ko. And meron din siyang part dito sa likod and zipper. Next, I bought from this. 2 of these ribbon keychains. For me and my friend. And then, another keychain for my friend. A claw clip na maliit for my friend. And 2 clips for me. Last that I bought. Expensive. This is expensive. Lip tint glaze. Shade niya Butterbell. And then may free photo card siya ni Winter. There are 4 photo cards dito sa loob. Nagpa-room service ng coconut pudding and Thai tea. Thai tea.
Maha Blanca.
Lasang toasted na Maha Blanca. We're gonna head to the airport. Right now, nag-check out and nagwe-wait ng suitcase there. Also, overweight yung mga suitcase namin. Overweight yung mga suitcase natin. Oh. Hotdog. Going to the airport. Nakasiksik.
Galing nung kabal, papunta dito, ganun din, di ba?
Yeah.
Mga sexy naman kasi kami.
Airport. Kahit sa airport may nasa airport na kami. It's 5 p.m. and yung flight namin is 11 p.m. pa. another Thai beach. First batch ng food. Omelette, watermelon juice, watermelon shake, chicken, papaya salad, and sticky rice. Additional order, mixed vegetables. More additional orders, bok choy, Vietnamese style chicken, and then rice. More additional orders, order fried rice. Tapos na kami kumain, and then we're going to our gate para maghintay doon. Wala, pumunta siya sa akin. Yung robot. Ikaw yung robot, pumunta siya sa akin. Look nga. Boarded the plane. We're here. We're here. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I want to sleep.
I want to brush my teeth.
Claiming baggage. And then she does. Time check. 3:40 a.m. Kala ko totoong taong nakastare at me. Waiting for our sundo. In the van. Pauwi na kami. Finally, I can sleep on a bed. And also, trip to Bangkok completed.